Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tire chains that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the 245 snow chains. My neighbor needed some tire chains, so I decided to accompany him as he went to buy some. He decided to get these tire chains mainly because they come with nylon bumpers which are scratch-proof. This feature enables it to offer protection for the alloy wheels. He mentioned that the tire chains measure about 12 mm in the inside and will provide the thread clearance. To further boost our confidence in them, the tire chain certifications were listed to us. These include ONORM 5119, UNI 11311, TÜV and 5117. My neighbor frequently keeps me in the loop, and he is yet to be disappointed with the Koenig XG12 Pro 245 snow chains. Moving on at number 4, we have the AutoTrac Light Truck SUV tire traction chain. I got these Peerless 0232605 tire chains for my wife. The funny thing is that I ended up wanting a set for myself in the process, after seeing their capabilities. What I could not get over was their self-tightening feature. The Peerless 0232605 automatically centers and tightens itself. The chains were innovatively constructed and had some appeal to them. They have a pattern made of diamonds, which plays a role in its traction provision. They have met Class S requirements for clearance purposes. You need to experience having them to understand what you have been missing out on. At number 3, we have the ATV Trace V-Bar tire traction chain. My brother was the one who made me aware of the existence of these security chain company 1,064,356 ATV tire chains. This was when we were discussing how difficult it was to find tire chains which could be used on different types of terrain. I was very interested to hear what he had to say, and I have to admit that this is worth buying. To make it last longer, the tire chains are zinc-plated. This guarantees a reasonable duration of service from them while getting an aggressive level of traction for your ATV. At number 2, we have the car snow chains. I am a big fan of quality and well-constructed items. The reason why I advocate for this product is that of the experience I had with it. We were driving along a snow-covered road, but the grip it displayed was unbelievable. It was not my first choice when it came to tire chains. Still, that day, I began to realize that I had significantly underestimated it. I later found out that it was handmade using hardened manganese nickel alloy steel. This helped a bit in explaining its level of performance, not forgetting the D-shaped links on it. And finally at number 1, we have the Super Z6 cable tire chain. We bought this for my father-in-law's pickup truck. All I can say is that this is the best tire chain that I have ever come across. It seemed reasonable since he also owned a passenger car and an SUV as well. The security chain company SC143 tire chain can be used with any of the 3 vehicles, making it an economical purchase. He just had to choose one of them to fit it on. The installation process can be done even without the movement of the car. What made me happy was his reaction a few weeks later, when he said that compared to the other products in his possession, the all-around traction was exemplary.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.